This is the first look of our project. You might see the new input system package installed by default. We don't need it for this game, so go ahead and delete that from the project. Let's fix our layout to make things easier to work with. Go to the layout dropdown and select the tall layout. You can also adjust the game tab a bit to your preference. Personally, I like this layout when I'm working on mobile games. It gives you a nice vertical view. We need to switch our build platform to Android. So, go to the files, open the build profile or build settings depending on your version, and here select Android and click on the switch platform button. It may take a few seconds to re-import everything, and that's it. Your project is now set up and ready to go. Let's update the aspect ratio. Click on the game view aspect ratio and here select 2016 by 1080. This gives us a nice vertical portrait view.